Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to use sound recognition on iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Never want to miss an important sound in your surroundings again? Your iPhone has a feature that can help detect sounds you might miss out on in day-to-day life. It's called sound recognition and it works like a blessing in disguise, especially for those who are hard of hearing. So, in the first step, I'll tell you how to turn on or off sound recognition on iPhone. With the basics out of the way, here's how to turn on and set up the sound recognition feature on your iPhone. For this, you have to open the Settings app, go to Accessibility, scroll down, go to Sound Recognition, tap the toggle next to the feature to turn it on, tap on Sounds. Now choose the specific sound that you want your iPhone to recognize and send alerts for. Here I am choosing the fire alarm. Turn it on and you are done. And the next thing I'm going to tell you is quickly enable sound recognition from Control Center. Once set up, you can easily enable the sound recognition feature on your iPhone by the Control Center. Here's how. Swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the Control Center. Tap the sound recognition icon to enable it. And you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to set up your iPhone to recognize a custom sound, alarm, appliance or doorbell. As I mentioned above, you can choose to record and set custom sounds on your iPhone after the iOS 16 update to have the sound recognition feature identify them and send you alerts. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, scroll down, select Sound Recognition, choose Sounds. Depending on what you want to receive alerts for, tap Custom Alarm or Custom Appliance or Doorbell. Here I am choosing Custom Alarm. Tap Continue. Select a name for your custom alarm. Hit Continue again. Bring your iPhone closer to the sound and tap Start Listening. Then you can turn on your appliance or alarm for your iPhone to listen and save it. Tap Save Sound. Repeat the same process 4 more times. To remove your custom sounds, tap on Edit in the top right corner and select the red minus icon to delete your custom sound. And you are done. I hope this video will help you set up sound recognition feature in your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.